Hello guys, today in this video I am showing you my all diecast car collection. Let's unbox. This car is many special because this car is modified. I will show you later, but first I show you the parts, the tires for spoiler, engine, compressor, bonnet, bumper. Each and everything is modified in this car, and it's very amazing like this. Before and after, before and after, before and after, like this. So this is the most important car because it's have a car key like this, remote, and the size is 124. It's amazing and huge. So let's unboxing this. Oh wow, this is so beautiful, mashallah. And this, wow. First I unbox this. Wow, it's looking great. Nice. First I put this and like this key. This have car key. I will show you later. And now the last one. This is the mini Carz. Like this. Okay, this is. Hey guys, this is my all cars unboxed, and I will show you one by one car and the features. First, little cars. This is guys diecast cars and little cars. Is metal body and the texture, the drawing like mcqueen and lighting mcqueen, different colors, and this is so amazing cars. So this is little cars. I have 5. So okay. So now it's Ford Mustang modified car and sports car and very amazing car. And it's open the door and like this. And okay, like this. This I have opened the doors and open the bonnet like this. It's amazing car and small car. You will see it's amazing, and the tires, rims is also great. And this is for GT official licensed car. So I have this. Now guys, this is Audi car, and you know what, V6 car have engine and so amazing features. And open the bonnet, open the dicky, everything, and now it's okay. See, you will see the car lights has blink. If you are see, guys. Okay, this is amazing car and my favorite car, sports. Now, guys, this is the Audi, and this is also have opened the dicky, open the boot, trunk, and open the. This is engine and two doors open. Guys, please comment and tell me these cars are amazing or not, good or not. This is already. Now it's playtime. Its battery is down, its battery is low, so why it's not running the lights? Its battery is dead. Okay, don't worry, let's move the next car. He has sunroof. So guys, this is the Toyota Land Cruiser, and this is my most favorite diecast car, Toyota. And we have also the cell. Now it's open the door. Okay, and the bonnet is are opening much be tricky. Yo, see guys, see the car. You see, it's amazing car and amazing quality. Wow, it's looking like wow, and it's also running black. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and which car you are most favorite, tell me in the comment. I have this car diecast models, so inshallah I will next purchase more and I will show you more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.